Hello everyone, greetings. My name is Ayush Sharma and this is a video SOP. I have been accepted in HUL's Master of International Business program at Boston campus. The reason I chose HULT is because HULT is the most international business school with highest return on investment comparing with other business schools. HULT has got true international culture in its curriculum, and the special thing about its curriculum is its unique global rotation program, which gives students the opportunity to complete the remaining modules in different campuses spread across the globe. I want to pursue international business because it gives opportunity to candidate for going global in a single program. The program covers all the skill set required to excel in any business scenario. Moreover, it specializes the candidate for international business, and personally it will help me to meet all the people across the globe in a single city, Boston, during the course of stay. This global exposure of cross culture will shape me diversely for future, covering all aspects of my life. Also, I will be able to interact with professors and faculty who actually have worked in an industry with vast experience, thus gaining their wisdom through classroom lectures. The staff itself at HULT is very diverse, and people from so many communities will be working under the same roof, which sounds pretty exciting on a daily basis. After joining HULT, I will grow as person during the course by meeting and seeing all so many different people and gaining new life experiences. As I am just 23, my short-term objective after graduating from HULT is to work for an international firm which will deepen my understanding of international work scenario and economy of different country. I am planning to work for at least 6 to 7 years in any international company for gaining all the business wisdom and practical lessons required to start my own firm. Eventually, my long-term plan, say after 2022, is to start my own business. I don't know much about what business I am going to do, but I'm pretty much sure about working for my own company at the later stage after gaining some global exposure and experience. The skills which will help me in my starting my own business will involve global crisis management, international marketing, and deep understanding of global economy. And HULT's MIB program covers all the skills in their curriculum and will help me in mastering these skills. I am very much interested in program at Boston campus because it has the highest chance of global exposure through single year program, and also it is the place where HULT was initially established as Arthur D. Little School of Management in 1964, which is quite historic in its own way. I am from a small town and I always wanted to go out and explore the world. My past experiences with my graduation and academics are pretty much okay, but now I want to study in international institute with international reach due to my interest in international business. And when I came to know about HULT's MIB program, I decided to shape my future through HULT. For financing, I am depending on my bank loans, HULT's scholarship, HULT's financial aid, and family sponsorship to cover my tuition fees and other expenses. Thank you for watching this video.